So now that you have Zotero installed and a basic understanding of the Zotero desktop, let's move on to how to create a collection. The overall process is simple. Make sure that Zotero is open on your desktop and you are in the correct collection. Log into Galileo and complete your search. Select the artifact that you wish to upload. Select Export on the right side. Select OK, and the artifact information is uploaded to the database. So let's take a look at what that looks like through screen captures. Start by looking at the navigation bar that occurs at the top of the Zotero window. And there are a couple of key icons that you need to know. Moving from left to right, the first icon is how you add a new collection. So you would click on that to add a collection. The next item is to add a new group, and this is if you're doing a group project and you're sharing your resources across the people in your class. The next is changing the format of entry. So you can change the format from a journal article to a newspaper article to a web blog and so on. And what it does is change the database field names for your information. The next item is add a note to an entry, and so this is where you can add information about the note. You could talk about the value of the source, why you included it, those kinds of things. And then finally, you can attach something to the entry. I use this frequently if I'm going to attach articles to the entry so that I have the articles for future reference all stored in one place. To create a collection, you select the left side button on the navigation bar, which is the folder I mentioned just a moment again. When you click on that button, it opens a new collection window, and then what you would do is type in the name of that collection, and it would appear then under your main window on the left-hand side. So if we look at the example here, you can see there's the collection labeled under My Library that you've just created, and then yet there's no artifacts yet in the folder. And the next step will be to show you how to enter artifacts into the folder.